Bangalore ko changchan bangami ko adagi Chennai da khawre adagi Goa da adagi Canada Mumbai da Hyderabad da adagi Chandigarh da even Dehradun ko suma market adagi North East ki mi khare hena lei ko mapam hai tare ko even Shillong da adagi Dimapur Kohima adagi kanu bogada Guwahati ko singi market sa ko itu penetrate to ho ini akhoi ki pots nungshi na chabi bada ko nungshi bado mahau do leram da gadi kuina nungshi ya ro nangi nupi do nang nungshi na law ra ka da mage mana nang bu fazana support to bidar respect to bidar di yang kuina nungshi ya da bane ko the same thing we have to keep that the trust you have built ko nang na mi amana nang bu nungshi do what to give value ai tare kari maram ge na mana si sare se hai bado ma plus nang na mana pam na te sama ka na create to do maintain to chat do ne adu ge nungshi bado long term the relation maintain to be the nang shame bang badu ne ba we try our best doing that hojekti mai sum torok paduna lupa chama khaptuna hau baduna ngasi akhoi ki turnover se kayam yorum ga do male can you guess turnover has a profit na de ko the how much we sell in a year right ni ko paisa kayam roll to ge ha ko kayam rotate to ge ha ni ko adu ni profit na te profit is something different lupa chama de lising kontra di tha ma da ko yobong ngre ko ngasi chahi 20 years sure 2004 gi January da hogi bani hojik 2024 gi May yosale kayam yorum dong man just guess huh no not at all adu bogdi yobong ngamdre ko adu bo there is a reason kai gi no ko adu yobong ngamdo to have to we continue to give training kai aina maira hogi bada it was not just for me ai kanage ai khaptang pesa talaga ina phungi habigi namakta natte Manipur da achoba change amakha porakke habigi food processing na mi mayam ama environment piba ngami habitu ge example am create toramba without investment you can start from your kitchen habigi example am set toramba ahum subada aina toramiba example set toramisena industrial map ta nupi isu participation do yam visible ohin be yai aduna industry haraga industry se kanan to nupa na to buni aduna ka ko nupi su equally participate tawraga india gi na taga manipur gi economy change tawrpada porapada yam job contribution of people ngam ne example for set tawra aduna ai khaptana hanam khona ramagadi koi no nang sa hariba 10 crore do line yorungani but I decided not to adugi mahutta mi mayam training pibada ko focus taw mapam chalaga self help group sing the individual sing the aduga group mayam the individual amana food processing tawning hai ba ko training piba moi product development tawbiba magi marketing da mateng pangbiba adu mayam chanjan ba ko aduga continuous level da apana training piba da am focus tawgibana ko production dudi aina tawriba kharado adu faktang sale to banina makhoina tawriba mayam su I could have reached that easily, but it's free oina thambado ko. Aina phajang ragadi my creativity to mangi doine ba. Aina moi the training pira kanda basic training on pire mi honda ko. Basic training pira kanda bana ngasai ko to gyan ta ragadi anno product may asa puthora kani ha. Tume ko aduna adugi opportunity to pina bagi damu ta kana kitam free oina company. Aduda mi kharadi lai mai moi da ngasai creativity leibang ngamjada ba da moi market ang kiraga leiba ko poti sage medam ion badi hero ion badi ngamoi ha bido mokoi gi damakta didia da akoina dum bulk ta mokoi ti purchase the week ko dum relation bi adu akoi gi maira gi brand ko pack karo dum ion bi market ta so there are 10-15 groups who have said that they won't be able to sell the product they like to manufacture for us Nakugi na magta pot sagi hai na ko to outsource to pai dra bana product kara outsource to moi da pihal training pi raga pot sa le adu ba koina moi adu gi pot da relation bi raga mai ra gi brand dei khara amadi now you see lots of brand ꯑꯩꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯐꯦꯠ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯤꯀꯜ ꯆꯥꯕꯗ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯄꯣꯏꯔꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯜ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯌꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯔꯤꯃꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ okay there are many brands who are making a very similar line of product. Most of them are my student. Ado aina tambibadagi ahenba product mayam amasu aingondagi nataga mairadagi influence awraga mokai product line mayam puthokchadana yonjaba mayam amsu leya. For example, Moms tarabra. Moms have a brand. They make dry chicken pickles. Ko magi mama dusu kabui ningone ko jiki tawri buduna momita no maithem ko bane kabui nupi duna maitei pada mayum panba kasam thong dagi ko leibana de ya school du leibane ado imana sum khigi chicken gi singju sem tawdo aduda kuina thamba yadabdo karam haina man life to extend to gadege habi ga ingonda concentration yam tawe mana. So we developed that. अदुगा मागी आइडिया दुदा अपन नक्तन क्वालिटी इंप्रूव तो बिरगा मागी प्रोडक्ट अम हुजिति यामना पॉपुलर ओइबा ब्रांड अमा अदु मागी वारी दसु दुम मायम तो है बने she has been influenced by Myra food आई मिंग अदुम पन बने को. So there are many more, even Tare food चारंगनी Tare food चाहावगी भुजिया पुथोपा चाहावगी गुलागा पुथोई तो को we still tied up with each other अको एकदम चटमिने खाइ तारे को बिजनेस ता मागी ओन आइडिया तो दपन एकदम मतेंग पंक्शन बिबा माना तो उनको तो तोहनबा मागी दरकार ले हम दपन मतेंग पंक्शन मेराना. So even her his packaging मा हुजिक मंगोंदा कंटेनर हुजिक गुला साबगी कौतादो मंगोंदा अदु साबगी मोन मशीन लेते बट मेरा हैज अदुना आई मागी आइडिया मागी पोतो अइगिदा लागा पैकिंग तौरगा माना मेरा मागी Tare food brand अदु योंजा बनेबा which I don't mind. Okay, so Myra has become a mother to so many upcoming food processing industries. Okay, Sigi Potsi, it was a very important step which we really need to take. Mamang the liquid industry mayam se masa ki tak khalla ka tawbani na mayam se kamai na pigadagi habagi idea da changak tabani na tawramaga dum fail oiraga mangkiba mayam yaw. But the role which we have created, I think, will sustain. अदुगा मी मयाम से हिंगन बंगमबनी ममा मन मचा सेबदा मचा दुने मपुंग फाबं ngमद्रि बगुदी मागी अदुम खांगा लेबदो को that role we have decided to take. Myra will play as a role of mother and will continue to do that. We will continue to give training hujikti akoge branching out tawrapada hujik Myra foundation and training institute ko hogena plan tawri adu consultation service adum tawri ko aduga unit amana magi anova ma hausage tawge ha matamda training people akatana consultation tawga ma industry ama oira phamawda branding tawga da ben mating pambase koi dum tawri. We don't look them as our competitor ko ai competitor ne mama ga mapa ga macha do competitor ne su uroi ugadra uroi ko macha na phara akanda mama mapan harauzabado adugi penjabadune ina phangise ko I still enjoy that period of mine, that I continue to do that, and I'm also encouraging my girls who are working with me to do the same here, because we have established Nasidagi almost I had 20 years back Hogibani, Chai Kunsurabani, Laiba Singsidi am Nori, with the idea is that Bado, no kind of a thing Pambu, Matamama Lakini, Kuinasu, I'm expand Tauraga, business of course we planned once 2019-20 की period to the COVID लाक्चने ममांगदा MOBCD NER न support तौरगा कोई pineapple के project अचूबों कोई पाई बने मोइना MOBCD NER होगा तमसे दा farm product मंगा कर select हो बनी चाहाव ने pineapple ने ginger ने turmeric ने king chili ने को the high river ginger ने अदुगा कनो ने king chili ने अदुगा कनो से कहता है pineapple सी अहुम से दे already हाना handle तो लगे लेगो पोर में करने बा अदुना सी में हमसे लेबनी ना ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔ ꯗꯦꯕꯗꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ I accepted that invitation. I proposed the project to that. I'll be focusing on pineapple. ꯑꯇꯩꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯗ ꯂꯦꯖꯤꯁꯂꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ, but pineapple is such ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ, ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯏꯌꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯁꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ. But suddenly COVID came. COVID ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯗꯣ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ. ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯔꯒ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ, ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗꯛꯁꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯦ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ. ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯅꯔꯁ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ, ꯇ꯭ꯔꯛ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯗꯣ 10 ꯆꯀꯥꯏ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯅꯔ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯃ ꯊꯟꯅ ꯍꯞꯇꯥ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ. That was not possible. One reason, workers mayam laharoi, ani subadana akhoi raw material ki availability yam leite. Aduna pineapple ki adu ki demand meet tawge haragadi, we have to focus more on growing pineapple. Koi khangi akhoi ki soil se pineapple yam chane, thaba yam yai, putopa yam yai harabasu. But we have never thought that our demand will be that much. Akhoi namse khangi sai sittare habadu ki putopa pineapple sittare na khale baba. Sittabado silakhini. We have to start doing more and more. Aduna ina sida leiba mayam sida encourage tawningbadi hoi, let's think about starting up like a processing unit for industry ama hobagi so khanse. Before that we have to focus more on farming sector, what to grow which can be exported out. Adu khalaga de pesa yam pusalakpa yagani huji leiba conditions sida de koi pesa yam kana mapanda putopa ngambagi chance one. Recently, I'll again tell you another story. There's a like Mapanda buyer amana, the ginger pio hai. Every week amada ton amam I think 1000 kg amam pio hai na manda. Chahi pio hai. Ahan bagi 2 months ko made ai thaba ngamame. Makata ba pini khai le Manipur. One ginger that number cookie area that number thai. Pom bagi Naga area, Meitei area, the cat had. Now we have space. Let's start growing the ginger because our ginger is considered to be very good one. So is that infestation? I think fungal growth madugi treatment, soil treatment, kitang PC, aduga haba ginger do I market to the mating pange. So think over that how we can tie up Myra Foods ka high riba segi Lungdai zone RBCC ki area na koliba lamgi mi sincere ikari to minaba yage habado. You come up with a proposal, let's think over it, we can work together for a longer period of time. Ka aduna punna chakhaminasi ai dom chakhapana yaroi Manipur da mi amakdana loina Manipur bungmang ongani habado landu oigani. That's the wrong concept. Everyone has to take part. Akoi loina magasi sala irba mayam se akoi pungna mana akoi ki level da thabak suminara kanda collectively akogi force of government pukalaba kanda akogi lam chapatkani Manipur chapatkani India ki chapatada koi mateng pangbangom gani ko aduga akoina pongna akogi culture kansi haribado chara hedba kanda culture kan yaroi adu madi dum kaugumsi asi akoina culture kansi harabaso asomda hek mai leithokibada yumda chak chana ba leramda ba kanda yumda khatna chaina ba thoknam ba kanda kauthopa leirido madudagini ko anamba yumna khana chaina ba thokpa mayam sa kadai degi paisa degi ngantani paisa thokpa na watpa darkana hinjalakpa ko ichagi fees school ki fees thinda ba leitre magi demana mi to ngamdre angang narakanda hidak lena paisa leitre nataga ai thangna ba thaba am thokpa kanda paisa pangna paisa leitre hai ba ki kasum na macha degi paisa leite hai ba sida anamba khana ba tho yum sin sida ko aduna paisa thokna ba gi lami se sarkar ki thaba khaktar paisa thohalloi sarkar na koi thabak piba ngamoi aduna ai gi level da kari tawraga paisa tangada ge habado madu khanasi ngasi gi city. Let's take it as just an introductory session. Let's have a better very intensive workshop with all of you so that we can plan out that what should be the next step. Kai tawsi ge habado khana minasi haiba apung khari thamjaraga mayam dagi dialogue zage. If you have any question, I'm ready to answer you. I think I have passed on my message. The Sarkar na koi thabak piba ngamoi akhoi gi damakta akhoi hona jagadobani habiduma ko अदुगा अइगा चानाबा थबक करिनो हाइबदो अखोइना थिदोक्चगदबने करी हंगनिंगबा करी खंगनिंगबा हाइबो yes I do
Koina because back to about manufacture that from the Buddha best before use 6 months ada thamba kumba ko adu da ta ya ni hai ba sudah taba best before use 6 months itham laga adu ki pot ko ekoina cha ya bra natraga expire oirena low yarba hai bagi question se dum lakningi mem na pickle semba matamda adu gumba soidana thambiramgani hai base ai gi wakal da dum lakpa adu gi dum explain to we ba yagadra angjaninge
pickle haibasidi it's a very traditional way of preserving ko what amma yam traditional way that without using any chemical natural preservatives in natural preservative haibasida chini ne thum ne thau ne spice ne it's all natural ko makoi sinaraga preserve to the pickle haibasidi see akoi asi no to pathabak nate it has been in practice from last so many thousands of years ko akoi ki forefathers in torumba pot ama kabni aduga india ki ate mafum dadi yamna vast rena mai the study me am tawraga yam puthokare akoi ki lamda hai tare manipur ki lam sing de akoi na tawba pickling se it's a very different akoi ki anamba fermented way then tawi ko shoigum pickling tawre नगरा शगुम नमगा नेचुरल वेना नमगा दा मतुंदा महिक मयामदुना अटैक तौरगा एसिडिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन तौरगा मोइदा असिनबा एसिड थोहलगा द एसिड ता प्रिजर्व तौबा द वेरी नेचुरल एसिड को अदमई तौदना नारी दिसु सर्टन बा कोई बैक्टीरियाज मयाम में अटैक तौरगा अंदर मखै नसगी फर्मेंटेशन थोहलगा और प्रिजर्व तौबा दोस आर सम ऑफ द वे अद सी तसे इन नेचुरल वे द प्रिजर्व तौबसिदी हाइना बम लेबनी the more the years you spend, it becomes more tastier and also healthier. So me ka lira ka hawing in mane lira ka mai mahaw hingal hedana you maktasu kuina thamaka anda magi machin habdo koina kuina thamaka ma hidak ki magi mogun hingal hene dana ko admai to dana natural way the preserve to bududi adum lira ku like ke su problem my color ka change to pe mahaw ka change to pe but that won't be harmful because it's a very natural. Preservative hapaga, chemical hapaga tobududi, we have to give a time. Because magi life malay. Preservative to magi life lay ko. Aduna apna mana 6 months, 12 months have one. But we try to make without using any chemicals. Those can be kept for. Koi adu once packing to ki bahagasi exposed to rabani na. Koi container amada plastic packet amada half ki bado. Plastic to be life lay. नगे प्लास्टिक पैकिंग दो मधुदा फूड का डायरेक्ट टाइम अब याबदो 6 मंथ की हेन गवर्नमेंट अलाउ तौगे ओके अदना कोना ड्राई पिकल हाइगदा कैंडीज हाइगदा अदो कोना 6 मंथ पीरियड दो बिकॉज़ दैट इट कैन नॉट बी kept for more than 6 months having glass bottle गुम्बदा कोना पैक तो वो can be kept for longer का अदना पैकिंग मटेरियल दसु याम डिपेंड तवे अदना certain मागी rules and regulations थरो लेबदु की तमता कोना explain to the way but once you check the quality of the product you will find that it can be kept for long ko chahi ani bo tham da pesu to the bene candies do pickle di chahi manga tham bo the kain to de koi dum season re yeng ko but my color change or my taste to do the quite the luri se pickles da koi na thousand ne ko thau gi rancidity he kana magi manam mama tongan dom tol kan li ra kan da but if that is kept in airtight container katana sunshine changmangam daba kauta da hapa ka thamoba kogi packing material amada container amada adu origi kisu taw adu transparent da likli gumada hapa do bena ko na jaga koi boomer ki bottle gumada hapa do madudi koi na thamba yare boomer bottle hapa do not more than 3 months I think asai sunshine do mai changra banina mai thau do rancid oi rakani mai manam namakani namchi rakani haw colors oi mangrani no urang mari yum da pickle sem matamda tha no nini di masak phajara maga khar lega sum musalak ni chaning ba pol tabado ko ado machu do preserve to ge haragadi it has to be opaque ko I है डायरेक्ट सनशाइन चंग ngam पैकिंग तो बतो कोइना लेवल से कोई चाउना नपियो कसु नते सनशाइन प्रोटेक्ट तौना बने ओके मतें का मचा म नपो सनशाइन कोई चंग कांददी मागी टेस्ट चेंज पोरे को those are certain things which we have to keep in mind, otherwise you can have okay ado training tauba kan so de explain patana tauge fasai gi norms mayam su lay food safety gi norms mayam lay which we have to follow aduga karamba product karamba packing material kan pack to bo yage have to ko madu gi su certain guidance mayam lay which we have to follow. All right, any other question?